Ordinance in Kilgore is affecting restaurants and their disposal of fats, oils, grease, and grit. And as KLTV7's Avery Niles reports, the new rules come after years of damaging practices.
Now in the city of Kilgore, it is required for all restaurants and other local businesses who deal with grease to have grease traps on their property. This new ordinance comes after years of city pipes being damaged from grease and oil buildup. Clay Evers, the public works director for the city, says it's something that is very much needed.
It just basically outlines who's required to have one. It recommends proper sizing, and it recommends proper cleaning intervals. Then it also establishes civil penalties for failure to comply with that ordinance.
Evers says from October 2022 to October 2023, there have been over 52 work orders for cleaning sewer lines at businesses. 75% of those were clogged because of grease. It has cost the city around $9,000 for the labor, equipment, and material used in those cleanups.
These are preventable messes that seriously, if we all do our part, we can use that money to do the things that need to be done, like replacing our infrastructure.
Mitch Mooring co-owns Zen Kitchen in Kilgore with his wife. He says they opened in July and serve pizzas. Even though they don't have a fryer, they still put in a grease trap.
All restaurants, no matter what they're cooking, are going to have grease and oil buildup. It allows the water to go to the city while stopping all the grease.
Evers says he hopes the civil penalties will make people think twice.
The first offense is $250, and then it escalates from there.
Avery Niles, KLTV7 News.
Now, the city says this is also a big problem on the residential side, encouraging homeowners to allow their grease to cool, put it in a can or a bowl, and then throw it out with your garbage.